Hey, web designers and developers. Are you interested in getting into website accessibility, but you're not sure where to start? Or have you tried to get into it and you found it confusing? Or maybe you found it overwhelming? That's a lot of what I hear from my students before they join my course. Well, and I understand it because many of the accessibility guidelines are vague. So you read them and you're like, okay, great, but what does that mean? What do I need to actually do with this information now? And you can Google all day long and you'll come across tons of accessibility information, but a lot of that's bad information. And unless you know any better, how will you know what advice to follow? Which is good and which is bad? And I also see a lot of web designers and developers asking for advice on this very topic in Facebook groups. But a lot of the advice is given by people who aren't doing accessibility work at all or who aren't doing it properly, but they think they are. So that's actually part of why I decided to do a free webinar called 3 Easy Steps into Web Accessibility, plus 3 common mistakes that most web designers and developers make when venturing into accessibility. So I'll get into those, but I'll also talk about how accessibility can help your business. It's on September 1st at noon Eastern time, and I promise you don't want to miss this. You want to bring a pen because you're going to be taking a lot of notes. You can register for the webinar at bit.ly/3easysteps6. Hope to see you there.